Alright guys, Jason back at it. Got the Traxxas XRT 8S. Personal best with this rig, 118 miles an hour. Let's get something started today. Gonna hit a track, start, stop, read, cool, track, see the speed registering, it is. Let's hit start. Let's go guys. Run 8S, 12 amp hour. Some might call it 8S parallel, but you know, I'm running 8S with 12 amp hour capacity. Let's beat that 118 guys. Looks like she got a little wet. This is what we needed. Let's see what speed that was. Let's just check the speed. Stop. 122. Not bad at all. Alright y'all, back at it. Traxxas XRT on 8S. 12 amp hour, which is 4S lipos. 6 amp hour in parallel, so it's going to be 8S 12 amp hour, you know, 8S parallel. All right, let's see if we can beat our PB. Our PB is 122 miles an hour. It went so far I couldn't see, so I couldn't drive it back, but it is what it is. It's my PB. Let's see if we can beat that. Here's the 122. So we're going to hit track, start, stop, read, cool. Gonna hit track. See if we get some speed registering. We got speed registering. We will hit start. See what we can get. Okay, let's see what we can get. Alright y'all, let's go. pretty ugly pass, but she made it back at least. Stop, breathe. 121 miles an hour. So 122 and a 121. We'll take it, y'all. 122 is not bad at all. See what she looks like. There it is. 8S parallel. Castle XLX to ESC. Castle 2028 1700 kV. WFO Y kit 7075. WFO titanium axles. WFO drive cup sleeves. Of course, the Gone Bananas racing skins. Got a Saga pinion on here with a NHX spur. Running the Saga 8mm adapter, so I can run 8mm gears. Yeah, just some China hobby line cat pack I made. Yeah, beautiful build, very nice build. So we'll talk to y'all later. Personal best is 122, and just did a 121 and made it back, but it was a sloppy pass. So we'll catch y'all next time, man. Y'all take it easy, all right? Peace out, y'all.